Hi friends, good day. Today, let us look into most humorous and funniest quotes on travel. Before we go in,
Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
let me read them for you. If you don't like the way I drive, stay off the sidewalk by Anand. I have been to almost as many places as my luggage by Bob Hope. A sure cure for seasickness is to sit under a tree by Spike Milligan. That's okay, we can walk to the curb from here by Woody Allen. Why do they call it rush hour when nothing moves by Robin Williams. I like terra firma, the more firma, the less terra by George S. Kaufman. I have called my car flattery because it gets me nowhere by Henry Youngman. I travel a lot. I hate having my life disrupted by routine by Kasky Stinnett. I couldn't repair your brakes, so I made your horn louder by Stephen Wright. Be careful, travel expands the mind and loosens the bowels by Abraham Verghese. The first condition of understanding a foreign country is to smell it by Rudyard Kipling. Being in a ship is like being in a jail with the option of drowning by Samuel Jackson. Just got back from a pleasure trip. I took my mother-in-law to the airport by Henry Youngman. In flying, the probability of survival is inversely proportional to the angle of arrival by Neil Armstrong. On a New York subway, you get fined for spitting, but you can throw up for nothing by Lewis Grizzard. I never travel without my diary. One should always have something sensational to read in the train by Oscar Wilde. Travel is the frivolous part of serious lives and serious part of frivolous ones by Annie Sophie Switchine. A man who, beyond the age of 26, finds himself on a bus can count himself as failure by Margaret Thatcher. How is it that the first piece of luggage on the airport carousel never belongs to anyone by George Roberts. In Mexico, everything on the menu is the same dish. The only difference is the way it's folded by Billy Connolly. A friend of mine was so fed up with the train delays and cancellations, he threw himself on the track, died of exposure by Jack D. In Paris, they simply stared when I spoke to them in French. I never did succeed in making those idiots understand their own language by Mark Twain. You know, somebody actually complimented me on my driving today. They left a little note on the windscreen. It said, "Parking fine," by Tommy Cooper. Spain travel tip. If bathroom genders are indicated by flamingos, the boy flamingo is the one with a hat. I learned this the hard way by Dave Barry. Denver International Airport has a control tower that sways in the wind. The good thing about it is that it looks perfectly still to the pilots who have been drinking by Melanie White. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.